Hey guys, it's Daniel from Magic House. And it's summertime, it's really hot. And it's a time for party and chilling out. So today, I want to show you our latest container swimming pool. Let's have a look.
The dimensions of this container pool are 11.8 meters in length, 2.2 meters in width, and 1.8 meters in height. The size of the pool is customizable from 5 feet to 40 feet. The pool is constructed by using galvanized steel pipes and galvanized steel plates, which are welded and polished to form the overall structure.
In between, we incorporate a polyurethane foam spray insulation layer for thermal insulation. With the addition of a pool heating system, you can enjoy swimming even during the winter.
Alright guys, I've changed into my swimsuit now. So follow me and let's test the water.
For the interior lining, we use customized fiberglass reinforced plastic lining. It is molded in one piece using a mold, ensuring perfect waterproof performance, a longer lifespan, and a very low maintenance cost. Furthermore, this pool comes equipped with a counter-current swimming device. It is made of durable stainless steel and copper materials, which are resistant to wear, corrosion, and high pressure. This ensures a long lifespan and a reliable performance.
Now let's take a look at the equipment room. So there is plenty room inside to add additional equipment, and we have taken good care of the waterproofing.
It is equipped with a complete set of engineering plastic fittings, a skimmer, and an electronic distribution box. Here, we have a salt chlorinator that can provide a hygienic and clean swimming experience for your family.
Alright guys, that's about everything. So if you want to have your own customized pool, or if you are willing to become one of our distributors, just check here for further contact information. So, 2 thumbs up. I see you next time.